How to use the Hexospark browser extension. The Hexospark browser extension provides convenient one-click lead capture from LinkedIn right into your Hexospark CRM and campaigns. You can currently find our extension in the Chrome or Firefox browser extension stores, and it only takes a few seconds to install. After logging in using your Hexospark account, we recommend setting your default workspace in your settings. Next, to get started, simply navigate to any LinkedIn profile and click the Hexospark browser extension icon. Hexospark automatically captures your lead data available on the profile, including name, email, position, activity, experience, education, skills, volunteering, licenses, and certifications. The browser extension can also capture organization data from business profiles. You can also save notes, write a personal icebreaker, and save this data to your CRM. You also can then assign your prospect to an existing email campaign, personalizing and automating emails, as well as follow-ups using your CRM data. One-to-one outreach is now easier and faster than ever.